Yo, first order of the day, we've got a McDonald's. This one is $9 going 5 miles. I think I said McDonald's earlier, but we're going to Starbucks. That's why I was so confused. I've been staring at the map the whole time I was driving. Not really, but you know what I mean. And it just wasn't adding up because I was like, when did they put a McDonald's there?
Alright, it looks like it's both of these.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I wish it wasn't so dark right now. I would have shown this place off. This is very clearly a multi-million-dollar property. Pretty sure to my left is like a garage that's bigger than the place that I live. Just got the next order. This is muchas gracias, $7 going 2.5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
I got this next order as I was dropping off. This one is a Wendy's, $6 going 1 mile. I don't think I've ever been to this Wendy's this early, so I'm just gonna assume the lobby's not open yet. Actually, it says it might be open, but I don't know if that's talking about drive-thru because it does not specify. Nope.
Hi, welcome to Wendy's. Can I help you?
There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $15 going, I think it's at 7.5 miles or maybe 8, and 6 items. They wanted a stuffed animal, but after I sent them the picture, they were not impressed, so we skipped out on that item. And we just got an add-on order, which looks like we're picking up before we do this drop-off. It is muchas gracias, $7 and change, going 2 miles. Thank you.
Bye.
There you are. Thank you. Have a good day. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is $8 going 3 miles. And they just gave me an add-on. Oh, I probably should not be taking this one, but we're just gonna go with it. It's a Starbucks, $3 going an extra mile. Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Thanks for calling ABC. This is Brian. May I help you?
Hello. You can just set it down over here.
No.
Got another McDonald's order. This one is $8 going 2 miles.
45. And then my oldest is out at 3:30.
So are the twins in like grade school?
Thank you. Next up, we've got a 7-Eleven pickup. I believe this is alcohol. This one is $7 going 2 miles. Look, I had a DoorDash. I got this order right away. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $11 going less than a mile. 8 items.
Alright, you're good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
$7.29 for some chips is crazy. This one's probably a mistake, but we're taking it anyways, just to keep busy. Go to Wendy's, $7, going 3 miles.
Thank you for choosing Wendy's. Got order whenever you're ready.
And you're set. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Besides the traffic trying to get here, that was a pretty good order. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Walgreens. This one is $9, going 3 miles. I think it's 5 items. Next up, we've got an IHOP. This one is $12, going just under 6 miles.
Thank you.
Yep, have a good day. All right, let's go home. Current time is 9:46. Total, we ended up with 113. Anyways, no, I did not forget the surprise. I'm gonna put it right here. That is a feral cat that I found around my residence. Every single morning when I get up and every night before I go to sleep, always see that little critter. So I finally decided to capture it the other day. They've always been super skittish, so trying to catch it took a lot of time and a lot of patience. And no, it wasn't somebody's outdoor cat. I already checked. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Oh, actually, I need name suggestions because I am so bad when it comes to names. So please drop any that you think might fit the little rat. Bye.